Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. In this video guys, ay gagawa tayo ng radish pickles and ginger pickles. So I have here a radish. So I peel the skin already. And I have a baby ginger. So I'm going to peel the skin of this baby ginger. And I'm going to show you the ingredients. So I have here the rice vinegar. So ito, rice vinegar. So it's made of likomki. And I have rock sugar. It's a cane made of cane. So it's a cane sugar. And I'm going to use this measuring cup. So I'm going to use 1 cup of vinegar, and maybe I dilute some 1 cup of water, because if concentrated, it's very strong. So it's better to add water, so it's not very strong, the smell of the vinegar or the taste. And also we are going to use some salt. And let's start to peel the skin of the ginger. We need to dry our ginger and radish before cutting. Now our vinegar is ready, so we will put our casserole to the stove, and we are going to boil our vinegar and add our rock sugar. Now I prepare already our rock sugar, so I put this rock sugar in this level, so we can add together to our vinegar to dissolve, and then we will let it cool down to add our ginger and radish. So I will transfer, guys, this radish so that I can mix properly. I will wash my hands first. We should mix the salt and we leave it for 30 minutes. Okay. I will put this one. And also the ginger. I will mix also. I will mix the salt properly. And then we put aside. So we will check our vinegar and sugar. So it's still solid, the sugar, so we will come back later. Now that the rock sugar are dissolved already, so we can turn off the fire and let the vinegar cool down before we add our two ingredients. So this is our radish and ginger, guys. So we still need to wait for another minutes, and also we need to cool down our vinegar, so we cannot mix them together if the vinegar and sugar is very hot. So we need to cool it down and before we add our radish and ginger. Guys, I have this container, so maybe I will transfer the vinegar here. Maybe I will use the big container for the radish and for the ginger, the small one. So we make it sure that the vinegar is cold already before we add our radish and ginger. Look, guys, the radish have a lot of water, so we need to drain it first, and then we need to pat it dry. So we use the kitchen towel to dry the radish. Same also the ginger. We need to dry them before we add to our vinegar with sugar. So we need to keep on drying this using this kitchen paper. So now we can add it to our vinegar. So we drain also our ginger. As you can see, there's a lot of water. And then we need to dry also using our tissue. And then we will add also to our vinegar. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.